Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you. It's a limited edition from Cult Beauty and it's one of their 5 Christmas beauty edits. And I went for the skincare one. They're still available on their website. This cost me £38 and it has a value of £183. There's a luxury one for £88 and has a value of £661. There's a haircare edit for £40 and has a value of £149. There's a makeup edit for £42 and has a value of £121. And lastly, there's a grooming edit for £38 and has a value of £181. If you're interested in this box for yourself or any of the others, as always, you'll find links to them down below in my description. And if I can find any discount codes or offers, then I'll pop that down there as well. Also, you'll see all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running down there. So you're welcome to take a look. Whenever websites bring out multi-boxes, I just don't know what to go for because I see things that I like in lots of different boxes, which I suppose is a pull, isn't it? It makes you buy more than one box. One thing they should offer is offer a 10% or more discount if you buy more than one box. That would be quite good, especially if you're buying as Christmas gifts or something like that as well, you know. But yeah, love the box design, really pretty. I really like that. I decided to go for skincare because it's blimming good. There, a little sneak peek first, you're not going to see much. Starting off with a sheet mask. This is from Patchology. We got Illuminate, the Real Glow Getter. It's a 5-minute sheet mask and it tells you on the back how to use it. Here's a sheet mask. You just take it out, slap it on your face, chill, and then take it away and just usually massage the remaining essence. But yeah, Illuminate flash mask. Quite nice before a night out maybe. And to go with it, we've got some flash patches. These are under eye gel pads, illuminating eye gel pads. I don't think I've ever tried these. I wonder if they're new. I've tried many eye patches from Patchology, but Illuminate, I don't think I have tried that one. But I like that. Quite fancy illuminated under eyes. Then we've got one of the main products I wanted this box for. It's a Sunday Riley, beautiful brand, but we've got B3 Nice. This is 10% niacinamide serum, a water-based 10% niacinamide serum supercharged with trans resveratrol, reduces the look of pore size. Huge pores on this nose. Always, it's a genetic thing, can't get rid of them. Surface redness, yes. And blotchy tone, yeah. For balanced, clearer looking radiance. It sounds great, doesn't it? It does sound really great. I have never tried this before. Niacinamide is beneficial to oily and dry skin as it helps to diminish appearance of stretched pores. Stretched pores. I've never heard them describe pores as stretched before, but I have obviously got stretched pores because they're rather large. Regulate the look of visibly shiny, oily skin whilst also supporting the skin's natural moisture barrier, which helps to prevent water loss and dryness. Niacinamide also improves and evens out the signs of blotchy skin tone caused by post-blemish marks and general surface redness. Yeah, that looks lovely. I'm currently using, at the minute, I've been using it for the last month or so, Vitamin C by Medicate. I need niacinamide in my skincare as well. I've already got quite a few steps. It's trying to work out what I can use and how they can layer together, and I don't want to overdo it with my skin. But yeah, I really love the sound of that. Then I've got here, Then I Met You. This is a live-in cleansing balm, 90 grams. I haven't tried many products from this brand. Oh, we've got a little spatula. I love a little spatula. Saves getting it in to my nails. Cleanse your skin, clean your mind. This does ring a bell. I wonder if I've received a little one in an advent calendar. I don't know. Skin softening facial oil cleanser. Wow, look at that colour. Wow. Oh, it smells really nice as well. Oh, look. I'm obsessed with cleansers. Oh, cleansing balms. Look at that. Oh, it just looks like mango body butter. Oh. It smells amazing. It does smell fruity. Oh, has it got orange in it? That's where the colour is coming from. That is so nice. Persimmon, sea berry oil, grapeseed oil and vitamin E. This luxurious sorbet soft cleanser gently removes oil-based impurities, fortifies skin with a blend of grapeseed and sea berry oils, rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids and vitamin E to leave your skin feeling soft and clean. Yeah, I love that. It's got cleansing balm. That smells absolutely beautiful. There, we've got a Dr. Dennis Gross Fill and Repair Serum, Gel Regeneration Rapid, and there's 7 mils here. All of these products can be found on the Cult Beauty website. There's no information about them in the box, but you'll be able to find out online. For AM and PM, using 2 to 3 pumps, massage into face, targeting wrinkles. For optimal results, apply after your Dr. Dennis Gross skincare peel and follow with a moisturiser. Okay, Fill and Repair Serum. So there's that. Then we've got Glow Recipe. They do the most amazing smelling products, but they're really lovely on your face as well. We've got the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, Dewy Moisturiser, and it's a refillable moisturiser. And there's 50 mils here. Look how beautiful that is. You see inside, it's a refill pod. So once you finish, you can lift this off. I don't know how you can do it. I haven't done it before. Oh, there you go. And you can put another one back in. I love that about it. Really, really great. So what can I tell you about this then? I have got this already, so I'm not going to be opening it up. This lightweight creamy gel moisturiser melts into skin quickly, leaving a refreshing dewy glow. It features a hydrating blend of 3 plum extracts, 5 weights of hyaluronic acid and polyglutamic acid for long-lasting intense hydration. Ice willow herb helps balance oils and support a healthy looking skin barrier, best for combination skin. And then lastly, we have got here, this is Holly Frog Situational Skincare. This is Solar, a daily mineral sunscreen with SPF 30. And it contains UVA and UVB high protection. And there's 60 mils here. Well, I love the look of it. Look how beautiful that packaging is. That's so nice. What if there was more skincare in your sunscreen? This is the idea behind Solar, our broad spectrum SPF 30 mineral sunscreen. You'll find a blend of hydrating and barrier supporting ingredients, antioxidants and skin softening oils in its formula for extra skin benefits. Plus we made sure Solar plays nicely with your other skincare products and makeup. It feels luxuriously silky and skin quenching and enhances your complexion with a sheer semi-matte finish. The best sunscreen is the one you wear every day, even the cloudy days, so we make sure Solar is the one you'll be excited to start the day with. I love looking dewy and glowy, but not everywhere on my face. Since I've come off medication for my acne, I've got really oily skin, and I've noticed like throughout the day my T-zone is just, it's just so shiny, and that is down to a lot of my SPFs that I use underneath my makeup as well. So having a semi-matte one is perfect for me right now. 60 mils in here. I might take this on holiday with me in a couple of weeks' time. Let's pump it, see what it's like. Oh, look! Ooh! I wasn't expecting it to be like a beige colour. I've put too much on now. Oh, it is really nice and lightweight. Oh, I like that. I really like that. I don't know whether that colour corrects slightly, but oh, I love it. It really feels nice on my skin. Hey, can you see a difference? No, not really, except for this one looks nice and illuminated a little bit. It isn't sparkly, isn't shiny or anything like that, but it does give a little bit of a colour. Daily Mineral Sunscreen. Hardly anything. It just makes my skin look nicer than what it was before. Yeah, I really, really like that. I can't wait to try that under my makeup. So there you go. Those are all the products in the skincare box. I really love it. I think it's the best box out of the 5, but we're all different, aren't we? We're all different. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the other boxes? What do you think of the edits in general? Were you excited when you heard that they were released? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.